on the new wheels. Super excited to show you guys them. Super excited to put them on. So I've been waiting like 2 weeks to put them on at this point. I just haven't had time. But they're gonna look super clean with the car. They're just some white wheels. They are some Vors TR4s with some Hankook Venturas V2s. They're a 18 by 9.5 plus 35 offset. So they should look pretty good. Get these suckers down by the car, get a little mock-up looking at them next to the car. Yeah, Fitment Industries, boys. Came with a pallet and everything. Very secure pallet, as you can see. Definitely secure. No dangerous acts here. But yeah, so we got all 4 of them. Everything's labeled, everything's nice. We got here in a timely manner. It was like 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. But yeah, little center caps and everything. Go ahead and get these rolled down there. One abused Jack if I do say so. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. So, all we really need to do, we got everything laid out. Really big mess because I did all the engine work too. But, gotta break all the lug nuts. And then, look at that. Look at how bright that is compared to that. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it is like night and day. So that'll look super clean. Backs, I hope I don't have to do any suspension fiddling, but it's very possible. But we gonna see.
Look at those dudes.
Where are we ready?
I gotta put this on. How do I put this on?
Look at that bad boy, nice and empty. Go ahead and get these lined up. Man, these wheels weigh a lot more. Get those nice and centered. And then thread on your lug nuts. Make sure it's centered on the hub centric ring, which mine is, so that's good. Go ahead and get one of these bad boys tightened down so we can really get a good idea of how it's gonna look. Remember, never use an impact whenever you're doing this. It's not good for the threads or for your lug nuts, wheels, everything. Other than that, yeah. So as you can see, as you can see, we got, no it doesn't.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Look, my ring goes on the inside.
Oh, I'm learning with him. But we're gonna put these caps on all the way around. Go ahead and get those looking good, and then I'll do the final reveal for you guys of everything. I'll get you a before and after, if I can find a before. I forgot to take one, so we'll see. A Perrin brake reservoir cover. We have an oil cap from Perrin, part number 711. We have a brake master cylinder brace to reduce the play in the brake pedal. We have a tie down. I already have one of those on, but I decided to go black instead of white. And then we have a coolant overflow tank, which all these together should make the engine bay clean up pretty well. Because it's pretty dirty right now and it's pretty boring as well. Like, as you can see, pretty custy. There's that Perrin battery tie down in white. I need to get changed out. I'm gonna be changing out the reservoir right here to a smaller canister style. It's gonna look super clean. Oil cap, brake reservoir, then the master cylinder brace goes like right here, nice and tight. All of our parts brought up to the engine bay. We're gonna start super simple with the sock, just to cover up that brake reservoir cover, our brake reservoir. It's gonna look super clean. Hopefully, just kind of cover it up a little bit. Tour of all the new little bits that I put on. Show you what was the hardest stuff and stuff that really just was not worth it, in my opinion. I don't know, it's up to you. But we have the black tie down on. There's the old white one. Really like how the black looks. Definitely flows a lot better now that I have almost all black stuff in this engine bay. There's the coolant reservoir. That was kind of a pain in the butt to do. I actually didn't even put it all the way on correctly. I'm missing one of the washers on the bottom, but that one's good. Fill it up with a little bit of coolant just because it's what you're supposed to. I don't know, I think. We have the oil cap. You guys saw me install that. Super duper easy, super quick. Just moving the old O-ring from the old one to the new one. Definitely cleaned up this area, like everything now really matches really well. Got the reservoir cover, it says Perrin on it, and then the brake master like support bracket thing. It's kind of hard to get in there, but you can see it. It says Perrin on it. But yeah, other than that, don't have anything else really to do today for this car. Definitely needs to get clean, so I'll probably do an engine bay detail somewhat soon. Maybe. It's almost summer, so I'll probably do that around that time. But yeah, we'll get that done, and then probably order up a couple more parts a little bit down the road to finish up the rest of the whole engine bay. But yeah, other than that, everything's good, so see y'all later. Bye.